Welcome back to our channel. The 2025 Bajaj RE Auto Rickshaw redefines last-mile connectivity with a compelling blend of reliable engineering, cost-efficient operation and versatile design. Delivering an exceptional balance of performance, efficiency and practicality, this three-wheeler caters to drivers and operators across urban, semi-urban and rural landscapes. Proudly powering local economies, the heart of the RE consists of sturdy Bajaj-compliant engines across multiple fuel options. The petrol, CNG and LPG variants share a 236.2 Macron cc single-cylinder oil-cooled power plant, while diesel models house a larger 470.5 Macron cc oil-cooled engine. Power outputs vary by fuel. The petrol model delivers roughly 10.2 Macron HP and 19.2 Macron NM. LPG produces 9.95 Macron HP and 17.65 Macron NM. CNG approximately 9.25 Macron HP and 16.18 Macron NM, and the diesel option provides around 8.37 Macron HP with 24 Macron NM torque. Each variant is tailored for city commutes and rugged terrains, offering gradability up to 20 Macron % for petrol and LPG variants and 18 Macron % for CNG, diesel setups. Fuel efficiency is a core strength. Diesel models return around 40 Macron kmpl in ideal conditions, while real-world CNG mileage ranges between 27 and 30 Macron km/kg, and diesel between 25 and 30 Macron kmpl. These figures, alongside fuel's low cost, make the RE a driver-friendly machine that maximizes profit per kilometer. With a 20.6 LPG tank, 8 litre petrol and diesel tanks, or a 4 Macron kg/30 Macron litre CNG cylinder, this rickshaw achieves substantial daily range before refueling. The design prioritizes utility and comfort. Measuring 2,635 Macron long, 1,300 Macron wide and 1,700 Macron tall, the RE offers a 2,000 Macron wheelbase and 170 Macron ground clearance, well suited for uneven roads. It accommodates 3 passengers plus driver, with extra-level ride stability and enough storage space behind the rear seat. Twin halogen headlamps and a muscular front fascia not only enhance its bold look but also improve nighttime visibility. The RE's practical features stand out in everyday use. A modern dashboard includes a basic music system, mobile charging port, lockable glove box and cushioned seats all aimed at boosting driver convenience. Safety essentials such as passenger row doors, rear crash guard, and drum brakes on all wheels, with parking brake, provide core protection. Chassis robustness is a given, with parabolic leaf spring front suspension and rear coiler spring shock absorbers offering stability and load-bearing capacity. The 673 713 Macron kg gross vehicle weight aligns with a curb weight around 363 Macron kg, yielding effective load capacity for commercial use. Clutches vary, wet multi-plate units in petrol, CNG and LPG variants for smoother gear shifts and a single-plate dry clutch in diesel for heat resistance. Pricing is remarkably accessible. The standard petrol/CNG/LPG models start around a superscript 12.34 Macron lakh our showroom, going up to a superscript 12.36 Macron lakh. For fleet operators and individual owners, this cost, combined with low maintenance and extended durability, ensures impressive returns and resale value over time. Bajaj also supports the rebrand with an extensive service network of over 3,000 dealerships and parts centers, offering annual maintenance costs in the region of a superscript 16,000 and consistent after-sales support. Durability is evidenced with engine warranties up to 120,000 Macron km, electric variant, while mechanical variants often last 80,000 Macron km or more, securing resale values around 60-70 Macron % after 5 years. 2025 also brings the all-new RE Auto 9.0 electric version, powered by an 8.9 Macron kWh Li-ion battery offering a 178 Macron km range and top speed around 45 Macron km/h. With onboard charging, regenerative braking, killer hold and a 2-speed automatic transmission, this F iteration marks Bajaj's eco-friendly push while maintaining the RE's hallmark toughness. In essence, the 2025 Bajaj RE embodies durability, flexibility, and economy whether fuel-powered or electric. Its incremental upgrades, from reinforced suspension to polished dashboard amenities, don't overshadow its business-centric DNA. For those pursuing profitability in shared mobility or goods delivery, the RE remains the go-to three-wheeler, combining trust, performance and value into one robust platform, a true workhorse engineered for every Indian road. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.